Welcome back, Nail Queens. In today's video, I am unboxing and using the March Sparkle & Co. subscription bag. So this is Succulent Plant Mama themed, and I'm so excited for this. When I saw the theme, I immediately had to sign back up. They have a referral program, so if you're new here, here are some of the details. You can pause and screenshot these for the later viewing. But if you're not new here, then you already know all of the details for Sparkle & Co. sub bags. So the sub bag level I signed up for is the dip powder basic level, so it's $30.99 for this sub bag. And I'll unbox all the things that came in it, but look at these cute stickers. I love that they include stickers that match the theme of the bags every single month, and these little cardboard cutouts, they're super cute. But this bag came with 4 1/4-ounce dip powders and a dip liquid. This month's liquid was the Solidify, and here are the 4 powders in the basic level bag. I am obsessed. I love every single one. In the past, I felt like they put one color that's not really my style in the basic bag, but these colors are totally up my alley. I knew when they said Plant Mama, this was the vibes I was going for. Terracotta for a planter, and then greens and pinks. And this dip liquid comes in handy because you always need activator if you're doing dip powder liquids. So I'm going to show you all the colors. Terracotta Decor is a solid pinky terracotta color. It is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Plant Mama, it has hints of gold, rose gold, and that green. I swear this green just steals my heart. And then Succulent is a temp changer. It actually goes to a lighter color, and I'll wear it in today's mani so you guys will see it later on. And Bloom, there it is a fine glitter with pink rose gold foils. It's really pretty. And the dip bag also comes with the swatches labeled and already swatched for you, so you don't have to swatch them yourself. I love that as well. So I'm just trying to gauge what order I want to put the colors in. I think these 3 will pair beautifully together. I mean, all 4 look great, but I'm going to use 3 today. So I'm going to start off with Terracotta Decor, which is the terracotta pink one. It's really pretty. And I'm going to put this color on my index finger and my thumb. I don't want too much pink on my nails. I've been really leaning towards pinks, and I want to get away from that. And these greens are so gorgeous. I think they need their own debut. They get to steal the show in this manicure. So I'm just using the base bond liquid, applying it to the entire nail, and then dipping in my powder. Someone recently posted on one of my Instagram videos, and they commented that they can't dunk their finger in the jar the way that I do, lay it down without the powder clumping up. And they asked, how do I do it? Well, I think the type of liquids that you use make a world of a difference. So using thinner liquids or something with a thinner consistency, try not to put too much dip base on your nail, because if you do, in my experience, that's what causes the clumping, is too much liquid. So you can see here the color change that's happening on my green nails. It's darker towards the tips and lighter towards the rest of the nails because in its cold state, it is dark green, and in its warm state, it is a light green. That's a really gorgeous color. I'm really glad that they included this and that the jar was also labeled temp changer. So I'm still wearing this mani right now, and my hands are mostly warm. The house is warm today, so my nails looks like the light green color, but even if it's the light green or the dark green, the mani looks gorgeous regardless of which color it changes to.
Even though you wouldn't do the same, I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same, had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine.
So now I'm dipping into the glitter. I love this. It has these foil rose gold pieces, and I will say it is not so easy to get them to lay flat. You have to like basically manually place them, so I just decided not to worry about it too much. You can see me here trying to like drag it over my nail, but I quickly gave up because the glitter is so beautiful. Look how it sparkles. Anyways, I want to do a glitter ombre on my middle finger. So now that it is all dusted off, I'm applying dip base, just kind of focusing on the upper region of this middle finger, and then using an eyeshadow brush to sprinkle the glitter all over. And it kind of, I don't know, it kind of went a little everywhere, and I'm not feeling it so much for some reason. I'm going to try to add a little bit more glitter. Maybe that will solve my feelings. But if it doesn't work out, then I'm going to just cover the whole nail in this glitter.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out.
Like I mentioned earlier, if I'm not feeling the glitter ombre, I was going to cover the rest of the nail, and I did exactly that. And it was really easy to cover it because I had like a lighter, more similar color to the glitter underneath. You can't tell that there's a solid color underneath at all, and I absolutely love that. But this glitter is incredible, even though it didn't pick up many foils for me, and I really didn't feel like doing all the work to manually place them. I think the glitter on its own without foils is absolutely beautiful, but you can still see like the hints of foil scattered throughout the glitter on my nails, and I love that. It's just like a small tint of it, so it's not too pink. So I am going to activate all of my nails, and the activator here, or it's called Solidify. Sparkle & Co's is called Solidify, which it makes it solid. I guess that's why they call it Solidify. It hardens the dip powder. So I'm just going to apply activator to all of my nails and then get ready for filing, shaping, and buffing. Because I wear jelly tips under my dip powder nails, shaping is really easy for me. So I'm just gonna shape off camera. It's really easy, and these colors were really easy to work with. Things didn't get lumpy or clumpy, so this should be an easy process. And just like that, it is very easy. Don't mind the white things all over the nails. It's my paper towel. If I could give you a piece of advice on paper towels, don't buy the cheap stuff. Splurge on the nicer brand, because if you don't, exactly what's happening to my hand where you see like the little white fuzzies everywhere, your paper towel might leave lint pieces all over your hand. So just don't do what I did and splurge on the nice stuff. It's totally worth not having to deal with the headache later on. So I'm applying dip powder top coat to all of my nails. All I have to do is apply one coat to the entire nail and then let it like dry for about 15 seconds, and then apply a second coat and then let that completely dry. Thank goodness for dip powder top coat though, because unlike nail polish, which takes forever to dry, this one's pretty fast. Within a minute, 2 tops, my nails are completely hardened and I can go on to putting on my lotion and moisturizer and all that stuff. Which, by the way, if you guys are interested in what I use on my skin, because I have experienced skin allergies in the past, I have a video coming on that soon. I absolutely love seeing the ring finger change temperature colors. I wish it looked like this all the time, but unfortunately it's pretty warm where I'm at right now. I mean, that's kind of a good thing, but it sucks in the summer. But I'm going to show you my photos I took. See, it's very warm here. And in the background, you can see the plant. that I've been trying to keep alive since like October. We bought it in the fall, so I am quote unquote a plant mama. Anyways, if you are new to Sparkle & Co sub bags, here are all of the details that you need to know. You can screenshot this to reference it later, but I'll also have it written in the description box below. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would.